Hey everybody, I thought I'd take you to town today. I'm going to go for a walk and I brought my plein air kit. And I live quite a ways out in the country, so I have to drive a little bit, but I finally make it to the park to be rewarded with all this beautiful stuff. So all the Bradford pears were blooming. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? Seen little squirrels out running around. They were so interesting to watch. And then I found my subject, which was a flowering dogwood. So I got my kit out and I have my Van Gogh paints here and some other supplies, pencil and media sticks, pencil crayons, and a water brush. And I ended up just sketching one thing. I just wanted to do one thing. So I'm pretty happy with my success today. I'm a little nervous about going plein air painting, but I came away happy and packed up my stuff and put it in the back of my car. I found some brushes in my kit. So yeah, it was fun. Here's my sketch.